French operations in Libya bring Dassault's Rafale Omnirole fighter to the fore with its AASM air-to-ground weapon arsenal. North Africa is only the latest front for the aircraft, which has led past missions from the Falklands to Kosovo. But France plans to depend on Rafale as its primary combat aircraft through 2040 at least, and the future will see new capabilities. A 2008 engine upgrade program to the M88-2 doubles power plant durability and lengthens its life. This engine now is in final qualification test and should be installed on production aircraft shortly, says Dassault. An AESA radar and electronic system upgrades will equip future Rafales too. Beyond its home turf, Rafale was recently included in India's fighter down select. Purchases are being considered by Brazil and the UAE.